Happy New Week and welcome to another interesting edition of As E Dey Hot. Una know as we dey do am every Monday, we go tear the nylon comot on top of the package, carry all the action tori wey happen for inside obodo Nigeria for weekend, drop am as e dey hot. Make yourself carry your long spoon, chook inside the matter. Una know say this program na the show by the people, for the people, and we dey discuss wetin concern the people, so that those wey the matter concern go take the necessary action and move the country forward. My name na Ezugo Chukwudi, and as usual, I no dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother wey sabi well as take concern politics matter as e dey hot.
Good morning to Nigerians. Welcome to another fresh week. That same fresh week wey they do it in, where they sunshine and them open the table for now on political matter wey concern us and you for Obodo Nigeria. And what will be the name of this program? As E Dey Hot. We go open our phone lines and for now to also contribute because we get a lowdown of issues where we go need to do it where we go sunshine that for now to at least contribute for anyone wey interest now when that time reach. My name never change. My name is Nkubi. And this now As E Dey Hot. We
go start our story of the action wey happen for weekend with something when they disheartening. I go speak English. Disheartening and sad. Sake of say anytime when person to go join Baba God, everybody mind go dey gloomy. The former governor of Bayelsa State, Dipriye Solomon Peter Alameyaseya, will be governor between May 29, 1999 and December 9, 2005. They talk say he go into coma, and after 2 days he can suffer cardiac arrest for the University of Port Harcourt Teaching Hospital in Kongpaigo. Plenty people don dey send them condolence message, but it is important make we note say even though people know they talk bad about person wey non die, if person don't die go join him maker depending on him belief, now in memory go continue to dey live, and whether history go dey kind to your memory or unkind to your memory, now the kind thing wey you don't do for this life na it go be. Dipriye Solomon Peter na somebody wey me say if you talk about the Nigerian Air Force for where him been dey work before he can retire go enter inside politics, he be person wey show outstanding qualities and characters. But as the governor, people don't talk say he do this, he no do that. In memory go live on, and history go judge him for wetin he do.
Yes, and the next story we'll get for now the crash wey dem say happen for Adamawa State, the Air Force crash, F7 fighters jet wey do it in, wey crash for Adamawa State and for where the place wey they call Didango for Song local government area. They say there's something now, say it's not that place it happened, and according to what we hear say at least the pilot wey dey in charge attempts to come out. He eject himself come out. But even with the ejection where he eject himself, he no still make am. Say he still by eventually. We can also hear say the people who they in charge of the spokesperson for these people don't talk. Say that is the spokesperson for the Air Force don't talk. Say look, say they go do it, they go carry out their own investigate to know what really caused the flight where do it where crash. So now on top of that one be that.
Inside Obodo Nigeria, we get what they call, I go speak English, political lexicon. That is to say, inside our political matter, we get some strong word when they inside our own political dictionary. Make I not go far. During the before the election, you get one word when strong when come up inside the Nigerian political lexicon. That word na sacrosanct. That one na sake of say all our political leaders then talk say whether the devil likes it or not. Say May 29th, one government go hand over, give another government, depending on who win the election. And when Oga Atahiru Jega they call the results, he get another strong word wey enter inside our political lexicon. That word now, no. We will not take it. We will not take it. We pass sacrosanct. We pass, we will not take it. We can enter another one. That one now in the fullness of time. That one now when the talk person of Oga President talk say, after Oga President cool down, check who go be minister, he go put people inside the ministerial list. He get one when we say he dey reign now. That one when they reign now security watch. What is the security watch? And then talk say when Oga President send the ministerialists go give the Senate President, say the way when he take carry the people when they inside there, they inside. Say he chop the eye of Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu when be senior man inside APC. They come to say Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu say the thing they pay now. Say if you see him for outside, he go they smile. But inside the mind, the thing black well because then chop in eye, fall in hand. But the presidency can't issue statement say all these things when some newspaper people they carry say Oga President don't send some people make them they chook eye inside waiting Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu they do. Sake of say they know saying they vex over the ministerialists and he won't do bad thing. Say na lie. Say Oga President consult the leadership of the party. He consult people when he believe in and he consider the interests of Nigerians before he put people for inside the security list. Aside from that one, before that one finish, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu can issue statement. For the statement when he issue, he talk say he don't read some newspaper when they write saying they under security watch, saying just they laugh. Him they laugh because him and nobody, especially the Senate President Bukola Saraki, no go join hand to spoil the government of President Muhammadu Buhari. The Senate President himself can't read President's own, read Tinubu own. He can't reply with his own, say all these things when people they talk say him and anybody get problem, say him and anybody no get problem oh, say security watch oh, no security watch, in no, in own be say as he sit down as the Oga Patapata for Senate representing the interests of Nigerians, they go make sure say the screening go transparent and now only the best people go work with Oga President to move this our country forward. Now that one happen over the weekend as they concern action Tory with security watch matter for inside Obodo Nigeria.
Yes, the next trending Tory now make we put on this way. Say 3 weeks after the kidnap of Oga Olufalaye, and let's say 1 week after we hear say some alleged Fulani headsmen invaded and that same farm where they kidnap her. Right about now, the information they reach our ear, they say they don't capture some of the people that is alleged. They say they don't capture some of the people where they do it, will carry out that badness, the badness of kidnapping Oga Olufalaye. And how many people they don't capture so far according to police? They talk say they don't capture 5 people. So they find the others to know at least. So they trade them to know where and where they so they will also capture them. And then according to this same report, we hear say then capture at least some of these people for where? For Niger State. So the police they talk say right about that say the others were there on the run. If not true, say then they on the run anywhere they say they must do it, must to make sure say they also capture them. Now on that story be that.
On top of the ministerial list, when the screening go start tomorrow, we don't they see rejection. People don't stand up, don't say say they don't wear their recommended glass. Look, some of the people when we say Oga President talk say go represent their state. They talk say if these people truly go represent their state say they no gree say make Oga President make him go back. Go select another people again. We go give them names of people when we say some other people don't come and call reject. Alhaji Lai Mohammed of Kwara State. They say APC youths when come from Kwara South. Then gather together talk say they no gree say they represent them. Say in fact Alhaji Lai Mohammed for as they concern say na Lagos in come from because na Lagos na in they live even in Pekin they inside the Lagos State House of Assembly. Say how can you name Alhaji Lai Mohammed as representative of Kwara State? Say make them find somebody when they inside APC for Kwara when don't work so many things inside that Kwara to represent them because they can end up with quote say this person we know, Alhaji Lai Mohammed we don't know because Lagos is too far. Even Amina when they represent Kaduna, some Kaduna people don't come across and say no, they no want them. Say when they get person when they qualify inside Kaduna to represent them. Even Ogaro Timi Amechi, even some of the senators, those ones, they carry petitions, say they won't submit. Now people go and beg them say, no you go submit petition. Allow people submit petition. Even Babatunde Raji Fashola, different groups don't write, say, they don't accept them. Say they go reject them. Plenty people don't come and talk, say, this list, 5 former governors, they inside. Former federal legislators, they inside. Former people when we say don't they inside government, they inside. Former chief of army staff, they inside. Say when they find new people. Say then they watch, then they wait. I said they don't say everybody get rights to watch the screening. Say they go watch, they go see the question. And the era of take a bow and go, they no go agree. Now all of this action Tory now we see for weekend. When we don't carry come, put for ground. We go throw our phone lines open, make you call to chook man for inside the matter and talk am as it dey hot. Nkubi, you see, every weekend now, I dey always dey happy if I dey come back on Monday because it be like say, hey, some of the stories when they see and our stories when we say, before some people enter government, they think say government na plate of beans and almighty dodo. But now things don't dey different.
Hold on. Of all these stories we don't read so far, we don't tell our viewers, say make them do it, make them chook mouth. Why you be say, and there are other stories where if you start your argument with, and there are other interesting stories where we don't read so far, where if you pick out, they say, okay, we could look into that. Must you always be controversial?
Must I not start from somewhere?
You don't have to be controversial.
Why if you say any story when I want to start with, when they affect you, you the always want the dodger?
We don't give 5 stories here. We give the story of Oga Lamia Seyawe. We give the story of Olufala where they say they don't capture the people who kidnap her. We give the story of waiting again. Which other story we give? We give the story of other stories that we give. Chukudi.
Wait, excuse me. We give the story of Lamia Seyawe don't buy. We give the story of Chief Olufala. We give the story of which other story we give? Other story when we give. Who could be caught if you don't call all these stories? Man, you go get problem inside this place.
It is not.
No. You must call the story, and I go start with the one when I want. I must start with the one.
Other ones we mention.
Okay. Oh yeah, now we mentioned Air Force crash.
Air Force crash.
We mentioned Air Force crash.
Thank you, Air Force crash.
Thank you very much. We mentioned rejection.
We mentioned rejection.
We mentioned security watch. And I want to start with security watch. Why you call the best?
Chukudi, in fact, you are taking this thing personal.
Okay, but I may start from Alamea Seyawe. Thank you very much. But before I start from Alamea Seyawe, make I draw information come up from the security watch own, because now you go lead me to the Alamea Seyawe.
No, they not relate.
How they not relate?
They not relate.
Is it not my relationship?
They not relate.
Is it not me that will find the relationship?
Which relationship?
No, me go find the difference.
How it take connect?
How it take no connect?
How it take connect?
Oga Kunle,
tell me how it take connect.
Excuse me, Oga Kunle, they call us from Kaduna. You go stop. I go see whether you go cover my mouth. I don't talk what I want to talk. Oga Kunle, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga Shukudi.
Good morning, Oga Kunle.
How today? How was your weekend?
Fine. Our weekend was fine.
The issue we say, most of it start from this Oga Lamizia we die. In fact, may so rest in perfect peace.
Yes, so.
I know say that man not be the biggest thing for Nigeria. We don't ever do government. It's only that this our former president just deal with the man, and they have seen the end of the man. But all of us were still alive, but everybody will die one day, and we account for what he has done.
Yes.
So the issue is that the issue of Baba Falaye said they arrested 5 suspects in Niger State. In fact, may God protect us in this country. For people to leave Niger State, go Ondo State there, and kidnap people. It's a mission is that there's no even the security. There's no security in this country, because I know those people they will pass through the Kogi, all these things with their weapon, all these things before they even enter Ondo State and kidnap people, kidnap person. So, and again, the issue of this ministerial list, I'm not surprised about what is happening now. Understand now? Because as Oga Shukudi say the things in my and beans. Understand now? The government, when you enter there, now you go know what they happen there. But when you're outside, you start condemning people. Even some of people that time, I told some people, if they give them to rule this country, they can't do as even former president. They can't even do it. The only thing they should be thanking former president, because it's what the guy did now that we are seeing now. They should be thanking him, because these people, they are confused now. They don't even know the direction they are going. They don't even know that they are confused. So, this ministerial list now will cause a lot of problems. You can see petition from different angles. There's petition on Amishi, there's petition on Fashola, there's petition on Amina from Gombe there, there's petition on the one in Kaduna here. Different of the other sana. This one, they will give them ethics. It's better for them to sit back and do what we say we expect change. It's not what we expect. What people expect they are seeing now. Understand now? Because we did all these things we are seeing. Understand? There's no evidence or maybe proof of change. Understand now? The only thing is that in fact they have to sit at home. If not, so it will be even worse than the previous administration they are condemning. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that contribution.
Oga Kunle, you don't talk the talk. And based on that talk, when Oga Kunle don't talk, I go continue from waiting in don't start with. You see, governance supposed to be like smooth road, where all of us suppose they move straight, make we know where we they go. But every time you go be like say we dey hear one issue coming from this side or that side because of the interest of some people. Who could be why? Why e be say every weekend when we go come back, wetin we go dey hear and say this person talk say that one talk say this one talk say, and they come from the same party. Why?
We cannot afford to miss this call where they come from Newcastle. Oga Livingstone.
So wetin are the talk?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chukudi.
Good morning, Oga Livingstone from Newcastle.
All right then. You don't tell why I don't try to call on us. So
Yes, at least you don't see us catch.
Yeah. Thank you very much. My own contribution now onto Amechi matter, our former River State governor.
Okay.
Just yesterday, I followed Dele Momodu on Twitter. He come to canvas. There are a lot of people Oga President don't shortlist for as ministers who we wait for so. And you can drum bell for Amechi. Now because I follow people because they ask Oga Dele Momodu say, why you they ginger for this matter? If the guy dey okay, make him go make them screen him. If he pass, him become minister. That one hard. You know hard now. I got to wonder why people come the kind for him say people they will shut down, people they will shut down. Make him go as every right person they go, make them screen him. If he pass, he enter there. If he no pass, make him no make them just come out there. Now my own contribution to that.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I continue to watch and see the odds.
And tell your people over there as well.
Make them they watch them too, so that all of us go to hear everything that's happen for Nigeria. See all the way from Newcastle, you don't make your contribution, and then we go hear them. And those when the matter concern, and they very sure they will take the necessary action. From Newcastle, we go back to Surulere for inside this Obodo Lagos. Oga Solomon, good morning, sir.
Good morning, how are you?
Good morning, Oga Solomon.
God bless you.
Yeah, right on. Will they hear you?
Please, I want. Good morning, how are you?
Will they fine? Continue.
Please, I want to come over Amechi. They should remove Amechi from that list, please. Amechi is a criminal. Amechi is a criminal. Amechi has stolen
Oga
the whole of
Solomon, you know Amechi where?
Yes.
You know at Richie House?
Yes.
Okay. Will they hear you?
Yes, I know where. For what's up that court?
Will they hear you?
You see, Nigeria, we want change. We want people that credible people to come and rule this country, not wayo people. You see that.
It be like say the network don't affect what Oga Solomon they talk. But Oga Solomon, we go emphasize say, we know say freedom of expression. Everybody gets the right to talk. But to come the label person one kind name, somehow, you know they good because if it cause more confusion. So we know say some people don't knock case on top of Oga Rotimi Amechi head. He himself get the right to come out and defend himself. But to come they conclude say him be this, him be that. We no support them, but we appreciate your contribution, and we also emphasize say now people will get impeccable character. Now we want to make them work with our Oga Presido to move this our country forward. Nkubi, back to my question before you use Oga Livingstone from Newcastle escape. Why he be say every time he go be like say there is discordant tunes
right about
between the
now. Make we go for this quick break. When we come back, we will continue the program as
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.